Okay, dear people. So we will actually be looking at the Nifty trend for today. We will actually look what is the Nifty trend analysis as of now, and let's assume that we are exploring that Nifty trend has hit a top, and there are multiple tops we have actually seen, and we are actually seeing that Nifty has hit a top somewhere around 21,500 levels. So as of now, we are experiencing a bit of lag after going to these highs. You can see over here we have hit a lag at 21,700 levels. Look at the tops over here. We have seen one, two, three, about 8 or 9 times the market has actually gone to that particular level and stopped, and it has retraced. That's the biggest word you have to catch. That's the magnetic word, retraced, meaning that it has stopped here and it has come down, it has stopped here and come down. That means that there is a huge resistance around 21,500 levels. Yes, we have reached 22,000 in Nifty. However, it's quite possible that 21,500 as of now is a ceiling for Nifty. To cross that particular level, we have to see that we are moving very high to these particular levels of 21,421 and higher. Only then the Nifty will actually catch up its trend on a higher side. So we are hit by 21,700 as the ceiling as of now, and as soon as we break the 21,700 and reach the highs of 21,834 to 21,900 levels, then we are easily able to scale up to 22,000. Till then, we will still be hovering in the range of 21,000 to around 21,700 levels, or it is quite possible that we may break the lower ceiling, that is the low floor of 21,000 levels in today's session, if at all the market has to go on a down down basis. As of now, in the pre-market, we are 53 points down, though SGX Nifty was showing a bit of positive sign, about 77 points higher. We are seeing that the Nifty is opening about 53 points lower. SGX Nifty also has shifted down from being 77 points higher. It is now down to 41 points higher. However, as of now, it seems like we are opening in 50 points negative in Nifty pre-open. So where are the supports for today? That is the 24th Jan 2024. So this is the Nifty trend analysis for today. So Nifty trend today may be a bit negative because we are already opening in negative, and SGX Nifty is not showing huge signs of positivity, and Japanese market is actually dragging everything down. Look at that. The Japanese market Nikkei is 312 points lower and 0.8% down. So that's what is influencing the Indian markets to a particular level. So where are the supports and resistances for today? The supports are at 21,238 levels, 21,033 levels. 21,000 is a huge support. It is a psychological support, so to say. So the market may see that the market getting down to 21,000 and just propelling upwards, because it is a great support and it is a psychological support. There are so many people who will be ready. If the market comes down to 21,000, I will buy into the market. So there will be crores of people who will be ready to buy at 21,000. That's the reason. So these levels which end with 00 or 000 are like huge supports or resistances as well. So 21,000 is a huge support, a psychological support. As of now, we are headed towards 21,185 for the opening. It is quite possible that we may enter more negativity in today's session because of Nifty Nikkei. It is now down 340 points and it is 0.93% down. So as of now, Nikkei is driving the sentiments. Yesterday, the Japanese central bank had kept the rates at the same level. However, there is a concern that the inflation may be really high in Japan, and that's one of the reasons we are seeing that India also getting influenced by Nikkei. So yesterday Nikkei was down hugely, about 1.68%, and that's what drove the Indian markets down as well. And let us see where the Hang Seng was yesterday. Hang Seng was down about 0.8%, and today it is up by 1.46%. So the Hang Seng is not Hang Seng is the Chinese market, not influencing Indian markets hugely. As of now, it seems like Nifty is driving the sentiment 0.95% down. So let us see if SGX Nifty is also getting influenced. Look at it. So as the Nikkei is falling, so is SGX Nifty as well. SGX Nifty is the Singapore index, which has a direct impact on Nifty, that is Indian Nifty, how the Nifty actually gets higher or lower is mostly dependent on SGX Nifty. Most of the times, SGX Nifty is the influencer for India. However, it is quite possible that we may see that the Indian markets driving the sentiment sometimes as well. So accordingly, SGX Nifty also will see that the market moving on a higher side or the lower side because of Indian Nifty. As of now, we will see that Indian markets are headed a bit lower in the pre-open session. That being said, let us look at the Nifty pre-open analysis, which I have done for today, that is 24th Jan 2024. Today is a very special day, 24 Jan 24. So that's a special day. It's hit by bear pass as of now because we have multiple resistances at this particular level, that is 21,700 levels. That being said, Nifty is faced with multiple resistances because of the huge correction we saw in Japanese market. Okay, that being said, we are seeing a opening 55 points down was already covered. We are now just 10 points down, and it seems like we are going on a higher session. Okay, so if you are actually looking to get the technical analysis knowledge, you can see I'm the author of the Basics of Stock Market for Beginners book, and you will gain a lot of knowledge with this book, that is Basics of Stock Market for Beginners. Have you ever seen that if you buy a Golgappa, you will get a pizza free? However, I'm doing something crazy like that. If you click the link in the description below, you will get to know that I'm giving away the futures and options course, which in itself is 2,500, that is 2,500 rupees worth. And I'm giving it away free of cost when you buy the Basics of Stock Market for Beginners book, and you will get the futures and options course. And on every fourth Saturday, we will have a community call. That is, all of them who have gotten the book, The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners, will also get the futures and options trading course free. That's complimentary or free, whatever you can call it. However, we'll have fourth Saturday dedicated towards clearing all your questions. If you have any questions at all with respect to trading, with respect to futures and options course, or anything with respect to the book, you can give the feedback. You can ask for any help from my side. I'll do the technical analysis for you, and we will get together on every fourth Saturday. And this is my promise for whoever gets involved in my community. I'm looking to give away multiple futures and options course, almost about 100 of them. So the first 100 to buy this book, The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners, the link is in the description below, will get the futures and options course, which is 2,500 rupees worth free. And as of now, let's look at where are the supports and resistances for Nifty. So we opened hugely, in negative about 55 points. Now we are hovering around 45 points higher. Now we are down by 32 points in Nifty. As of now, where are the supports and resistances for Nifty? Nifty supports are at 21,238, 21,200 and 21,033, 21,000 and 20,869 levels. Where are the resistances? Resistances are at 21,421 levels, 21,543, 21,716 levels. Those are the resistances for Nifty as of now. Now we are slipping hugely into negative. We are down 60 points, and in one instance we are going from 50 points to 64 points down. So let's look at the Nifty 1 minute chart and see where the market is actually heading. So look at the day analysis of Nifty trend today. We are slipping 76 points into negative. Look at the Nikkei. Nikkei is 1%, 1.12% down. That is 407 points down, 1.12% down. And let us see SGX Nifty where it is actually headed. Look at it. It was up by 70 points, it dropped to 30 points. Now it is down by 3.5 points. So look at this huge fall from 9 o'clock. It has been continuously falling, and so is Nifty. Nifty is falling as well. It is already down 0.37%, 78.7 points. Now it is down 82 points. Now the Nikkei is 401 points down, that is 1.1% down. So that's what is driving the influence. That's what is influencing Indian markets. As of now, we have hit the level of support, that is 21,200. So the 21,033 levels has already been hit. So 21,150 levels are a great support as well. So 21,150 is hit. Let's see if the market actually retraces from here. 21,150 being a huge support for the market. Yes, we did slip down. However, we actually are probably, look at this, we fell to 21,140 levels. Now we have quite a bit retraced higher. 21,158 is where we are seeing. Look at this, the market is just hugely high because we have hit the support at 21,150 levels. It's quite possible that we may retrace higher from this particular level of support. However, it is not the end. So we may be testing this particular level again. So 21,150 is a support, and we have almost 50 points retraced from the level of 21,150 levels. We have hit a bottom, that is probably a support. Look at this, I'll zoom in a lot. So hugely the market has moved higher. We are 55 points higher from the lows. The market hit a rock bottom somewhere around 21,140 levels. Now we are up to 21,213 levels, almost about 70 points higher. So again, we are in the first 15 minutes, the market, the pre-market, wherever the markets have actually been hovering. This is because of the huge orders which they place before the pre-market open. So now we are heading higher. Now we are only up down 3 points. 21,235 is where we are headed. Look at the huge green. We are seeing the huge surge in Nifty is showing that we will be moving positive from here onwards. We hit a rock bottom, that is the support at 21,150 levels, and now we are hugely positive because of the support. It's moving hugely higher as of now. The markets are actually in the positive zone as of now. As we speak, the Nifty is headed positive, 8 points higher, 10 points higher for Nifty. It seems like we are headed in a positive level because of the support at 21,150 levels. We have hit the great support at 21,150, and now we are high headed higher. About 14 points higher is where we are seeing Nifty as of now. And let us see, SGX Nifty, has it headed green as well? Yeah, we can see that we are headed 29 points higher in SGX Nifty as well. That's probably driving the huge positivity in Nifty as well. Where we were down about 85 points, we have recovered 85 points and headed 7 points higher. That is positive in Nifty. So that's like huge, right? So as of now, let's look at where the Nifty is. So how is Nifty? Okay, so as of now, we can see that Nifty 1 minute chart is showing that we are quite positive. Look at the support, 21,150 I had drawn for the day, the day support, and this is the one which is driving the market on a higher basis. Look at the green candles, man. This is like almost gobbling all the negativity. One candle just hugely blew up the negatives and it is headed higher. Yeah, as of now, it seems like we have recovered. However, we have to see if Nifty will be influenced again by Nikkei, that is the Japanese market, which is down by 1% as of now. So SGX Nifty, where is it headed? Yeah, 29 points is where we are actually seeing. Yeah, look at this huge recovery from the lows. It has recovered higher in SGX Nifty. And yes, obviously Nikkei is heading higher as well. So it was down by 1.2%. Now it is just down by 0.97%. Nifty is hugely high as of now. That is 6 points higher. Yeah, there will be, since we had such a huge positive, we will have some negative candles. However, it seems like we have hit the rock bottom at 21,150. If the market has tested again at 21,150 levels, we may test the levels of 21,033. If the 21,150, the floor level, breaks and it heads towards 21,000 levels, then support is at 21,033 levels, and below that we'll have the support at 21,000, which is the greatest greatest support for Nifty. And if that also breaks 20,800 is where we will be headed. Look at this, the huge negativity again hit in the market. As of now, there seems to be a great negative from the highs again at 21,248. That being said, Nifty is headed a bit negative because it hit into a resistance as of now. That being said, this is the Nifty pre-open analysis, Nifty trend today. And if you are looking to get the technical analysis knowledge, get the Nifty technical knowledge, technical analysis knowledge with the basics of stock market for beginners by me. And I'm giving away futures and options technical analysis course, where this is a day trading course. I have given you 3 strategies which makes you money in any kind of market. That being said, this is Ashok Kumar signing off from Nifty Trend Today Analysis, Nifty Pre-Open Analysis, whatever you want to call. As of now, we are headed a bit lower after hitting a high at the resistance of 21,250 levels. That being said, we are seeing a positive move again by the Nifty, which is headed higher as of now. It took support at 21,150. Now it took support at 21,175 and moving higher. And it seems like we will be on a positive trajectory in today's session. Today is special 24 Jan 24. That being said, this is Ashok Kumar signing off. Happy trading, happy money making. Don't forget to buy the Basics of Stock Market for Beginners book, and I'll give you away financial freedom with for FNO, that is futures and options trading course, free of cost by buying just this book from the link in the description below. This is Ashok Kumar signing off. Happy trading and happy money making.